How to connect iPhone to Homepod Mini. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to a HomePod Mini in just a few easy steps. Part 1. First time setup. First, plug in your HomePod Mini and wait for it to make a sound and show a glowing light on top. Then, simply bring your iPhone close to the HomePod. A setup screen will pop up. Just tap Setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose your room, enable or skip personal requests, and confirm your Apple ID and Wi-Fi. After a short moment, your HomePod Mini will be ready to use. Part 2. Playing audio from iPhone. Now, let's play some music. To send audio to your HomePod, swipe down to open Control Center, then tap AirPlay icon and select your HomePod Mini. Or in apps like Apple Music or Spotify, just tap the AirPlay icon while playing a song and choose your HomePod. Part 3. Using handoff. Want to transfer audio from iPhone to HomePod instantly? Make sure Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff are on your iPhone settings. Then, just bring your iPhone close to the top of the HomePod Mini, and the music will transfer automatically. Part 4. Using Siri. You can also say, "Hey Siri, play some music," or "Hey Siri, what's the weather like?" And the HomePod will now respond using your iPhone settings. And that's it. That was the quick tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to a HomePod Mini. If this helped you out, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.